that experience was something. The last time I painted was probably in school. मैंने इतने time के बाद जाके कुछ arts and crafts का किए, that's aside from whatever at home. And मेरे को ये बहुत अच्छा लगा experience, and particularly with these people क्योंकि I spotted them in GK2 and they were doing I think one of their first workshops ever, and the women were just enjoying and I wanted to be a part of it. Somehow कुछ ना कुछ every day हो रहा था and I was not able to make it on the weekends. इस बार मैंने पैसे पहले ही दे दिए थे and I had almost forgotten to be honest. मुझे सुबह याद भी नहीं था, मुझे रात को भी याद नहीं था. And as soon as I woke up at 10:45 and उसके बाद मेरी mom मुझे याद दिला रही है कि weren't you supposed to be somewhere at 11? Like अगर होना था तो आपने मुझे उठाया क्यों नहीं man? But then since I had a bath last night itself, that is why I could just like change and put on a little makeup and go. It was obviously very awkward at first, but when you start getting to know people around you, it is so much fun because you make, you're socializing. There was like a mother-daughter duo also at this thing, and they both were wearing such beautiful sarees, I can't even tell you, and the art was just amazing. Like it took me some time to understand how to use the brush and the colors, but they had like a practice sheet, not one but they had two, like one is filled and one is undone. I can do this at home, and the same is with the coaster. They have their differently treated coasters जिसके ऊपर वो हमें पेंट कराते हैं, and the person who's doing these workshops, the one I did it with was Medha, and there's another person who does it with her, and they're doing really great job. They started with Delhi and within 2 months they're already in Mumbai, Noida, Gurgaon, and they're doing it every weekend, everywhere. I think it's so much fun. It was like a 2-hour thing and उसमें अच्छा लगा. They also give you like a voucher, like जिस जगह पे वो ये workshop कर रहे हैं at a coffee place, they give you like a voucher sort of a thing, and उस voucher से you can basically get something to eat and drink as well, but that's already been prepaid for, unless and until you have like more to order, and that's going beyond the 400 voucher. But everything was provided, like all the paints, the coasters, I basically had to just take myself, and that's what I did. I took myself, and वहाँ पे मेरे को paint brushes, water, so many colors. We even got like an apron to put on so that we don't spoil our clothes with the paint. And it was nice, like everybody was just mingling together, and then we ended up forming a group on WhatsApp so that wherever we finish our art, we are able to share it with the people that we were doing it with, and probably like for whatever next workshop they're going or I'm going, they would just leave in a message that we are going to this workshop that they're holding at this place. But overall मेरा experience इतना अच्छा था, मतलब I would like to go and do it again, even with my mom, my father. I think it would be fun if I go with my father and my sister also. I did ask Mansi to come with me, but she was not interested in this particular art. So maybe the next time they have something, they have like 3-4 types of arts that they're doing right now, and it is very like it's easy to connect with them on Instagram. Medha was such a soft spoken person, like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा loud हूँ उसके comparison में, and sometimes I was like, oh my god, people do actually talk this slow, like in volume, because everybody at my house is always pretty much shouting. There were people of all age categories, but all of us were mostly women. I've seen men doing it too, but this one seemed like an all-woman thing. Only the women had opted for it. They have this provision where you can show up to the cafe and you can just start with it and then you can pay for it later. They have discounts if you're already pre-booking a slot. On spot, yeah, the pricing changes a little, but rest aside, it was worth the money I gave and worth the drive I took. It was 20 minutes away. I stay in Kalkaji while the workshop was in Khan Market. They haven't come to GK2 in a while, so थोड़ा सा apprehension था क्योंकि थोड़ा दूर था, अकेले जाना था. Like I went alone, right? It was a solo date kind of thing, and I think I needed more often. I mean, I could possibly be like very regular with them. I wouldn't lie.